Okay, this is question number 1. The curve C has equation y equals 3x to the 4 minus 8x cubed minus 3. Part A, part 1, find dy by dx. So, dy by dx, bring the power down and take 1 off the power. So we're going to end up with 12x cubed minus 24x squared. That's part 1. Part 2, find d2y by dx squared. So d2y by dx squared. Well, doing that, I have to do what I've done to the first original one, so it'll be 36x squared minus 48x. Okay, and that is part A. So, I'm going to keep the derivatives on there because I think I might need them. Part B, verify that C is a stationary point when x equals 2. I'm going to flip it straight into dy by dx. Okay, when x is 2. When x is 2, I've got 12 lots of 2 cubed. Well, 2 cubed is 8 times 12 will be 96 minus 24 lots of 2 squared. So minus 24 times 4, which is 96, which is 0. Therefore, x equals 2 is stationary point. So, part C. Determine the nature of the stationary point, given a reason for your answer. Now, that means I need to sub in x equals 2 to the d2y by dx squared when x is equal to 2. If I just hop back, I had 36x squared minus 48x. Okay. So d2y by dx squared when x is equal to 2. Got 36 lots of 4, which is 144 minus 96. So I have 48, which is positive. Therefore, x equals 2 is a local minimum. Okay, that's how we can do part C. Now, to get all the marks here for the first section, for part A, you literally get 2 marks for finding the first derivative, and you get your final third mark by differentiating on what you got for dy by dx. Get you 3 marks. For part B, verify that C is a stationary point, just summing in and get equal to 0, and then saying x equals 2 is a stationary point. You must have that final statement at the end to get your second mark, your A1 mark. Part C, determine the nature of the stationary point given a reason for your answer. So that second part that I just did there, d2y by dx squared, so subbing in x equals 2, getting 48, which is positive, to get you your first mark, and that final mark for saying that x is 2 is a local minimum will get you the final second mark. Okay? And that's how you can get all 7 marks for question number 1.